ano lang to, parang since ito yung start, from the time na naging officer ako until now, ito lang yung mga naging realizations ko as an officer.
Oh my God,
here in Lex. Okay, at one point kasi, parang in my term as EVP, na-ask ko yung question na ilan ba talaga yung may kilala sa akin as EVP, aside from you guys or aside from the people who are active members of the organization, yung mga naging PMs, yung mga naging AVPs. Parang, how many of the normal members that I see really know me or really see me as the EVP or the Vice President? And from there, yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo that if you want, if you can reflect on yourselves, ilan ba talaga yung may kilala sa inyo as the position you are holding? Kunyari, si Nico, how many among the hundreds of members that we have know you as externals VP? Or kay Cassie, ilan ba talaga yung may kilala ka as finance, di ba? I think in comparing it to, let's say, a Francis Garcia, agad. Malayo talaga yung agwat ng, alam mo yun, yung parang knowing your title here in this organization. And yun lang yung parang realization ko through my course of the term. But then again, yun yung mga naging realizations ko. And for me kasi, it's all a matter of, yung leadership sharing ko is, accepting your role. Kasi, in comparing it to one situation, sino mahilig sa mga sports? My favorite sport mo?
Basketball.
Ikaw? Football. Sino ba nag-race? Ikaw? Hindi ka nag-race? Hindi ka mahilig sa sports?
Boxing!
Anyway,
Scrabble,
one of the sports talaga I get amazed with is yung American football.
Bye guys! Thank you!
Yung American football kasi, hindi sa naging fan talaga ako ng NFL or any league naman. Pero yung the game lang itself.
Ouch!
And a lot of movies also, di ba, feature yung football, yung American football. Parang palagi maraming movies sa yun yung feature na sport. May kilala ba kayong parang, may alam ba kayong position sa American football?
Goal!
Soccer yan, honey.
Forward.
American football rugby.
Aside from kay Noel, sino kayo, ilan ba sa atin may alam ng any position other than the quarterback?
Referee.
Coach.
Water boy.
So yun, bakit yung quarterback ba yung kilala? Bakit siya yung kilala?
He's a playmaker.
He's the playmaker. What else?
Shane Pogi lang. Yeah, Shane
Siya
Pogi.
palagi yung bola. Ano pa? Kasi diba, asa kanya palagi yung bola. And he usually is the one who throws the winning throw. Diba? And ends up
May analogy to.
receiving the touchdown, diba? Kaya nananalo yung team or whatever. It's always the quarterback. But as you all know, it's not just the quarterback in a football team. So i-define ko ang football.
Pinaghandaan?
Each team has 11 players. And iba pa yung 11 players that run the offense, yung masuscore. And pag bola ng kalaban, may another set of 11 football players. So all in all, 22 players na naglalaro sa football game. 22. And there is the offensive line, yun yung sabi ko, 11 players yun. Kasama doon yung quarterback. There are actually linemen, tight ends, and receivers. Yung receivers yung pag-throw ng quarterback, siya yung dulo, siya yung kabila, siya yung nag-receive ng ball. And yung lineman naman, ang function is to block the opposing team from shoving or from hitting the quarterback or from hitting the guy who has the ball, di ba? Tapos, so yun, for me, if you were an outsider, if you were not really into football, you would not pay much attention to any other collisions from other players or any other happenings from other players other than the situation of the quarterback. Kasi syempre sa kanya yung bola eh. So parang ang naisip niyo lang kung yung situation ng quarterback, kung nakatayo pa siya or at kung alive pa yung ball. And anything else aside from that, you don't really notice or you don't really pay much attention. So likewise, sa for me, sa isang group na katulad natin, you don't really pay much attention to any other say factor aside from the person who you see a lot, who you see in front of you, who you see talking in front. So, I guess yung point ko dun is, if in the same way, yung attention is always centered around a very few selected people. So, but then, for me, hindi naman lang yung quarterback yung reason ba't nakaka-score yung team, di ba? It's always because of so many other people and so many other decisions made by other people. And siguro yung leadership sharing ko is, tagal na nito.
Intro?
Hindi ko pinaktis eh. But much like the team, we all have different roles and assignments. And most likely than not, people don't recognize them. And for some people, that might hurt you or that might parang feel you, that might leave you feeling lonely or parang unrecognized or parang hindi ka masyado na bibigyan ng much credit. But I think the mark of a true leader is accepting that but still working and still doing your job because that is your role in this organization. And okay, so accepting your role is my leadership sharing for you. And it's actually what or how you are when no one's watching. Kasi kung ikaw yung hindi quarterback, no one really pays much attention to what you're doing. But in the end, yung decisions mo or yung ginagawa mo really affect the entire team or the entire organization. So those acts are really what makes the most, what really make the most difference. And siguro for me, as EVP, I'm not really concerned with letting them know that I'm an EVP. In fact, hindi talaga ako masyadong nag-introduce as I'm Franz, I'm the VP of Flex. Sabi ko lang, I'm Franz, I am part of Flex. So yun yung actually yung pinaka-gusto ko yung sa shirt natin na I am part of it. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung line na yun dahil encapsulated na yun. Parang wala ka naman talagang, you're just part of it. And being part of it is really enough for me to know my job and know my role in doing it. So, yun. And last na lang, napanood niyo ba yung The Blind Side?
Yeah.
Ganda yun, diba?
Love it. Naiyak ako.
So yun, basta ko yung first scene nun, yung sinabi ni Sandra Bullock. There's a moment of orderly silence before a football play begins. Players are in position, linemen are frozen, and anything is possible. Then, like a traffic accident, stuff begins to randomly collide. From a snap of the ball to the snap of the first bone, closer to 5 seconds than 5. And then she goes on in saying, the play's been defined what the quarterback sees. But after a while, it's about to be defined by what he doesn't. So if we at the start, syempre all set tayo to like play this game or run this term that we have. And through the course of the semester and until now, sobrang daming nangyayari na minsan di mo na talaga nalalaman kung ano nangyayari. But then, it's what you do, it's how you react to what happens that make the most difference. And for me, I think my role in this organization is to protect the quarterback from what he can't see coming. And that is to protect his blind side. Amen.